Alright, as mentioned in our previous video, the one thing we have missing is the Twitter widget down here. So to set up the Twitter widget, super easy. You can actually go to your theme documentation. Under creating the home page, you can scroll down to the Twitter plugin, and the one we're using is called Widget. So you can visit wordpress.org and download that plugin and install it, or you can do it through your dashboard. So let's go and do it through our dashboard. Under plugins, we go to add new, and we can search for this since it's on WordPress, Widget, and there should only be one. So we click install now, and yes, we want to install it, and then you can activate the plugin. So the last things to go over is under settings. Under Widget, you have a list of settings, and right off the bat, Twitter updated their API, and so there's a bunch of different steps you have to go over. Well, not a bunch, but there's a couple steps you go over up here, and so you can actually visit their video tutorial right here. It says video tutorial. You can go and just watch that video tutorial, and that'll help you set up this area up here. Alright, I already typed mine in. I paused the video and typed it in, so you should do the same as well. Then from there, you can go under a couple different settings you have. So number of tweets in the live preview, instead of 5, we have 1. And then you can adjust these as you want. For instance, one of them is we have show relative time ticked. And then under custom, use custom output, we're going to say yes. Let's just delete everything in there. And then under the documentation, I have a bunch of HTML that you can copy and just paste that HTML in there, and then click update options. Then to actually use your Widget widget, you can go to appearance and widgets, and you'll notice in the list you'll get Widget. And we're going to actually paste that in under homepage footer widgets at the top. Save that. And now when I visit our site, you can see that the Twitter widget gets pulled in right here. Nice and handy, and you get your 14 days ago, etc. Super easy to set that up. This is just the recommended way of setting this up. Of course, what you can do under Widget is adjust all these options as you need, and make your custom output. Tons of different options, but this is just a quick start way to get it exactly how we have in the live preview. And that's how to pull in your Twitter feed.